Which of the following relations are not function? So let's have the choices. In this given choices, absolutely letter B is not a function. Ang reason po nun dahil meron pong naulit sa value ng x. So parehas po sila number 2. Kung ito po is not function, ang ibig sabihin nun, yung ating pong choices sa letter A is a function. Kasi po walang naulit kanyang value ng x. Ang value ng x natin ay tinatawag nating domain, yung y naman po is ang range. Let's have number 2. A relation where each element of the domain is related to only one value ay tinatawag po natin itong function. Let's have number 3. Which of the following relations are functions? So sa choices natin, we have yung letter A and your letter B. So sa letter A, obviously, this is a function. This is a linear function. Wherein our letter B ay hindi po. Bakit? There's no constant number and the equation is not clear. Let's proceed. Now for your next questions, or question rather, you have to find the range given the function f of x is equals to x over 2 plus 3. And to solve for the range of the given function, we have first to assign values of x. Yung makukuha po natin, yun po yung kanilang possible range ng ating pong given number. So, assume natin na ang ating pong given domain is equals to negative 2 hanggang positive 2. Nasa atin na po yun kung anong number ang gusto natin gamitin. Depende po. So, sa ngayon, ang gagamitin ko po, pero kung given naman sa problem yung number, so much better, mas mabilis na po natin makuha yung kanilang range. Dito, we assume that the given domain is negative 2 hanggang positive 3. And to solve for that, gagamitin po natin yung ating pong original equation or functions to identify the range. So we have to substitute first, negative 2, ito po yun, papalitan lang natin dito yung value ng x, that's equals to negative 2. Then simplify, we divide negative 2 divided by 2, that's equals to negative 1. Then we add, since unlike sign, final answer is 2. Therefore, the value of your first range is 2. Second, substitute din po natin, that's negative 1 over 2. Add natin, ang kanyang maging sagot is negative 1 plus 6 over 2. That's equals to 5 over 2. Therefore, the next range is equals to 5 over 2. Next is, if our x is equals to 0, that's equals to 0 over 2 plus 3. Cancelled out, we divide 0 divided by 2, that's equals to 0 plus 3, that's equals to 3. And therefore, our third range is equals to 3. For number 4, if our x is equals to positive 1, that's 1 half. Simplified, it's equals to 1 plus 6, 7 over 2. And our fourth range is equal to 7 over 2. And for the last term, that's equals to 2 over 2 plus 3, that equals to 1 plus 3. Therefore, your range is 4. So since ang hinihingi po dito ay range ng ating pong given functions, if the value of our x is equals to negative 2 hanggang positive 2, ang kanyang magiging range is 2, 5 over 2, we have 3, 7 over 2, and 4. That is your final answer. How about if we try to classify this given following table? So if I have table number 1, 2, and 3, we're going to classify kung anong klaseng function meron sila. Unahin natin yung number 1. So pag nakita kayo ng ganitong klaseng table, sa number 1, agad-agad, isusulat po natin sa linear function. Bakit kaya? Example, if we let f of x be equals to 2x, or x, if that is equals to 2x, kunyari, or x rather, and if we substitute our x equals to 2, our first number, or our first term is equals to 2. Then, the number 2, it is a quadratic. Kung titingnan po natin, yung 1 is squared by itself. It's equal to 1 times 1 is 1. 2 times 2 is 4. 3 times 3 is 9. 4 times 4 is 16. 5 times 5 is 25. So that's quadratic function. Dito naman po, kung titingnan po natin, iisa yung base natin. Kaya lang, yung exponent natin ay is a number kung ilang beses po tayo magmumultiply if we replace that number. Halimbawa, ang ating pong x is equals to 1. Ano pong value ng ating pong magiging y? So that's equals to 2 raised to 1, that's equals to 1. Kung ang 2 natin raised to 2, that's equals to 4. 2 raised to 3, that's equals to 8. And 2 raised to 4, that's equals to 16. And 2 raised to 5, that's equals to 32. And therefore, yung una is a linear, pangalawa is quadratic, pangatlo is exponential function. So dapat alam po natin kung ano-anong kanilang pagkakaiba. Let's have the next problem. We have f of x is equals to 2x plus 1 all over x plus 1 and g of x is equals to 3x plus 4 all over x plus 1. Ang tanong, which of the expression below can be equated to f of x over g of x? So dito sa kaso na to, para malaman po natin yung kanilang simplified form ng quotient, this is the quotient of the function, kukuhanin muna natin yung value ng dalawang function. I-replace natin yan sa f of x, ito naman po sa g of x. Next, after na ma-replace po natin yan, simplify tayo syempre. So let's proceed. So this will become, ito pong nasa taas, ito po yon. Yung nasa kanyang others baba is ito po yon. Pagkatapos natin gawin yan, nag-substitute lang tayo. Next is to simplify. So according to the rule, pag double fraction tayo, ang ginagawa natin, we have to take the reciprocal of our divisor. Pagpapalitin po natin sila ng pwesto. Ito mapupunta dyan, yung nasa ilalim naman mapupunta sa baba. Nangyari ay, ito na po sila. So, nung pinagpalit natin sila, ang nangyari ay, ang operation, instead of division, ay naging multiplication. Ito po ay, this form, yung group na ito ay, ginawa natin ng reciprocal, then the operation will become multiplication. After na magawa po natin yan, cancel out natin, parehas naman po sila x plus 1, yung natira sulat na lang. So that's your final answer. It is represented by f of x over g of x. Since they are non-factorable na, so that is your final answer. Pero kung factorable pa yan, o pwede pang paliitin or simplest form, so gagawin po natin yan. Let's have the next question. If f of x is equals to x plus 2, find f of negative 5. Madali lang po ito. Ang ibig sabihin nun, yung x papalitan lang ng negative 2. So, simplify natin. Negative 2, negative 5 plus 2, sign ng 5 is negative, positive 2, combine like terms, tapos decide with the bigger number, that's equals to negative 3, final answer. Halimbawa, ang ating pong equation is the same, x plus 2, pero ang value ng x natin is iba. Ang pinilit natin is number 3. So, palitan lang natin ng 3 yung ating value ng x. O yan. Then, plus lang natin sila. Therefore, ang final answer natin is 5. Let's have the next problem. This is given function c that can represent the cost of buying x meals. If one meal costs 70, how do we represent this in terms of function? Paano natin ito i-represent the function? Let's have this. So, ang ating maging sagot is c of x is equals to 70x. That is your final answer. Let's have the next one. Given y is equals to 3x minus 1, then ang ating pong value ng x is equals to 3. So, simple rin lang po, papalitan lang natin yung x ng 2. Pilat natin si x ng 2, then multiply muna natin, that's equals to 6, minus 1, that's equals to 5. How about if we have q of x is equals to 2? Ibig sabihin nun, papalitan natin yung lahat ng x dito ng number 2. So, this will become 3 squared, negative 2 squared minus multiplied by negative 2 plus 2. Ito po, odd number or even number, therefore magiging 4 po yun. Then, negative times negative is also positive 4. Then, we just drop down 2. Pagsama-samahin natin sila lahat, that is equals to 10. Next, how about kung ang atin pong function g of x is equals to 8, yung kanyang value ng x. Palitan lang natin yung x dito ng 8. So, this will become 8. Add natin, 8 plus 1, that's equals to 9. Then, kuhanin natin yung square root ng 9, that's equals to 3. That's your final answer.